Bloomberg Intelligence out with NVIDIA earnings reaction, noting the beats in the fourth quarter, but more impressively, that first quarter outlook, pointing to a stronger ramp of the GB300 system. Bloomberg Intelligence senior analyst Kunjan Sabani with us. This was what they used to explain margins, the Blackwell ramp. But then later this year, we're going to get Vera Rubin. There will be a transition of technology for their biggest customers. How have you modeled for that?
Yeah, so usually at the start of a new product ramp, your margins will get hit. But one key thing is different this time is the ramp of improvement of margins with the Blackwell has been very impressive. We all know about the rising memory cost, the rising wafer and package cost. Despite of that, and they don't pass on these costs to their customer, despite of that, they've been able to hold that 75% margins, the software level gross margin. So that speaks to two things, their pricing power and their ability to optimize for cost in their supply chain. Hence that large purchase commitment increase, which really lets them deploy their balance sheet in their supply chain.
I mean, it's even the costs that they identify for stock recompense to those that work for them. I mean, people saying that's a really classy act from the CFO, from investor relations, to be making that clear within the GAAP numbers, Kunjan. But where, therefore, are we lacking clarity? Is it from the China perspective? Is it future build? Where did we need a little bit more?
I couldn't find anything negative in this print. I mean, looking at buy-side expectations, it very clearly cleared the most lofty bogeys on the buy side. I think this is just the reaction seems to be overall AI fatigue. On one end, when the top 5 customers who are raising capex targets are being punished for spending that money, you can't have it both ways, where the company that's capturing all that revenue also gets rewarded for taking a lot of that high spending.
Just very quickly, networking provided a lot of the upside. Just explain it.
Yeah, people don't pay a lot of attention to the networking, but networking has been surpassing expectations every single quarter, and I think it will greatly, because now their networking, they can sell it even where their GPUs don't go. So even like ASICs for an Amazon, which are supposed to be growing and taking share away from the NVIDIA GPUs, they're going to plug it with NVIDIA networking. So that's a new source of revenue even where they don't have the chips in the servers.
Kunjan Sabani.